Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can solve server issues in Rust connection issues. So this is what I'm just going to show you what worked for me. I tested myself. So let's jump right into the video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I love creating tutorials for you, so make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. And now, yeah, let's jump right into the video. And also, yeah, let's leave your results in the comment section. I'm really curious to see if that where it worked for you, if what you tried, you tested, you applied, what I've told you about, what I've showed you in this tutorial, and after you tested, you applied, I'm really curious to see what are your results. So let's jump right now in the video. So what you have to do now, we have to head over to CMD command prompt and run as administrator. Make sure you run it as administrator. Click on yes, and now here what we have to do here in this window here, we have to copy and paste this command. Okay, so let's write this command first. ipconfig /flush DNS, ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter in your keyboard, and then net win sock reset and enter. Okay, that's pretty much what you have to do. But after, also what I've tried myself is to change from, now I have a cable connection, but usually I change to my Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes it's like very powerful, but as of right now I don't want to use it. But as I said, make sure you change your connection. Instead of using your Wi-Fi, make sure you use a cable connection. So try that and leave your comments, leave your results in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys, and take care.